Welcome to the latest edition of Obesity Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by Lucid Quest. Daewoong Pharmaceutical partnered with Taiwan Lab Therapeutics to expand its obesity pipeline with a long-acting GLP-1 therapy. The companies filed a Phase 1 IND application in Korea for a once-monthly semaglutide injection, with first patient dosing planned later this year. The move reflects continued investment in more convenient obesity treatment modalities. Rhythm Pharmaceuticals reported continued momentum for IMCIVREE in acquired hypothalamic obesity following recent regulatory approvals. The company said it received more than 150 U.S. patient start forms within 6 weeks of FDA approval, while European authorization was granted on the 1st of May 2026. Rhythm also continues to advance review activities in Japan. Zealand Pharma reported first-quarter updates supporting continued investment in obesity research and development. The company announced a $200 million share buyback and expects approximately $700 million in Roche milestone payments this year, while advancing obesity assets, including petrelintide and survodutide. Amgen launched the Phase 3 MariTide switch study, evaluating transitions from weekly GLP-1 therapies to MariTide. The investigational obesity treatment is designed for monthly or less frequent dosing and may influence future prescribing and reimbursement strategies, depending on clinical outcomes. Novo Nordisk said Singapore will serve as a regional Asia-Pacific pilot hub for diabetes and obesity care initiatives. The company is expanding partnerships and exploring digital health and telemedicine-based care models aimed at improving treatment access and adherence. Novo Nordisk also stated that Ozempic remains entitled to regulatory data protection in China until April 2027, despite semaglutide patent expiration earlier this year. The timing of potential generic competition may affect pricing dynamics and future market access discussions. Eli Lilly raised its 2026 adjusted earnings and revenue guidance following continued strong demand for GLP-1 therapies, including Mounjaro and Zepbound. The company now expects adjusted earnings per share of $35.5 to $37 and projected revenue between $82 and $85 billion. Deloitte reported that projected pharmaceutical R&D internal rates of return increased to 7.0% in 2025, but dropped to 2.9% when GLP-1 products were excluded from analysis. The findings highlight growing dependence on obesity and diabetes assets across late-stage pharmaceutical pipelines. Stay ahead in obesity research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.